Okay.
Okay, first step in removing pump auger bearings. Remove drive belts, large drive belt, and remove small drive belt. Remove large pulley by removing 2 Allen key bolts right here. They're already removed. Remove drive pulley bearings, 2 Allen keys. They're already removed. They should just come right out. Like so, and like so. 2 Allen keys right here and there. They must be entirely removed. Remove mounting bolts for main plate. There's 6 bolts. Remove like so, without dropping. And remove entire plate. Like so. Remove inner plate. 4 screws here, 4 number 3 Phillips screws. Okay, this time we'll have to get a screwdriver. Cut. Okay, ready to proceed? Remove Phillips screws. There's 4. I've had this out prior to, just want to demonstrate how this is a all screws. Remove plate. This plate is going to be stuck to the freezer bin, so just put a flat screwdriver under and just hook it off. It'll be stuck to the bin. Take it off as follows. And now everything is, your 2 augers are ready to remove. You see locking keys, there's 1 in each shaft. Make sure when you take the pulley out, don't lose your locking keys. Okay, that's it for down here below. Now you're ready to remove the auger pulleys. Okay, we just come right up to the top of the machine. Remove your spacers, your O-ring spacers. Remove your pump locks. And unscrew your locking ring right here. I had it pre-loosened. Unscrew your locking ring like so. Remove that one. Take off your inner seal. And this one here just pushes right out of the machine just like so. Remove it just like so. And then your bearings are here and in here. You just push your shaft through and change your bearings. Easy. 1, 2, 3. We'll do this side. Again, loosen off your retaining ring. Remove your gasket and push your pulley out, and there it is. There's your assembly. For installation purposes, ensure that your mounting bolts are lined up with your plate, with your locking plate on the back of your machine for reassemble. Easy procedure. It's a little bit time consuming and a few steps. And for reassembly, you must enter it through this way. You can use a bit of sealant if you want, a bit of like a silicone or something like that around the locking ring on assembly, like so, just to ensure that the mix don't go out on the main floor. And that's it for removal and installation of your pump auger bearings. That's it.